How to get high-ticket clients in 2022. Many professionals and small business owners are attracted to high-ticket clients for different reasons. Indeed, they represent a completely different target if compared to low-ticket clients. There are different strategies you can use to get the best clients to buy your products and services. But in this video, I want to mention 3 of them that I used to sell coaching and mentoring programs for myself and my clients. But there is something significant you need to know from the beginning. High-ticket clients are not for everyone. To be able to reach them properly and persuade them to buy your product or service, you have to do the right moves at the right time while building the correct perceptions. Indeed, marketing is a game of perceptions. My name is Max Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience, helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So thank you. First of all, let me share with you 3 crucial premises you need to know. Premise number 1. Offering high-ticket services or products is not for everyone. You have to provide value, tons of value, and bring results to your clients. Clients will agree to pay a premium price to work with you because you can help them get the results they want. People don't pay to buy a product or a service. People invest money for the results they perceive they will get thanks to your product or service. With this first premise, I want you to be aware that if your idea is to sell high-ticket stuff, you have to be competent and your experience and expertise have to sustain and justify the money you are charging to the client. Premise number 2. Customized solutions are demanded. What does customized solutions mean? It means that, especially in today's economy, you can't sell for $5,000 or $20,000 anything without real-time and customized support. I want you to memorize this concept. The more your client will be closer to you, the more he should invest. It all depends on your client's perceptions of you and your company. If you're not able to offer this type of support or assistance to put into practice what you teach, you can forget about selling high-ticket stuff. Premise number 3. High-ticket clients are the best clients to work with. I have lived this situation multiple times in my life. The less money you charge for your product or service, the more the client will complain about anything. The more money you charge for your stuff, the more you will have happy and satisfied clients that make all the necessary effort to get the results they want thanks to your help. Since they have invested lots of money, they are more than willing to do whatever it takes to achieve what they want. They are committed to do it. In addition, they don't ask for any refund, and they don't complain about dumb things. With that said, let me share with you 3 methods you can use simultaneously to get high-ticket clients. Method number 1. Involve your existing clients. Selling something else to your existing clients is the best strategy to get high-ticket clients. A satisfied client is more than willing to buy other products or services from you, but only if you have delivered or over-delivered your promises. In addition, selling to someone who is already happy to do business with you, someone who knows you, someone who trusts in you, is easier than selling something to a stranger. Here are some crucial facts you should be aware of. Acquiring a new customer can cost 5 times more than retaining an existing customer. Increasing customer retention by 5% can increase profits from 25 to 95%. The success rate of selling to a customer you already have is 60-70%, while the success rate of selling to a new customer is 5-20%. One customer experience agency found loyal customers are 5x as likely to repurchase, 5x as likely to forgive, 4x as likely to refer, and 7x as likely to try a new offering. American Express found 33% of customers will consider switching companies after just one instance of poor customer service. Here's the thing: if you're not new to my YouTube channel, You have probably heard me say to treat your clients like pure gold and always satisfy their needs. If you want to create a sustainable and profitable long-term business, the satisfaction of your clients must be your first priority. And it doesn't matter if you sell a $19 product or a $25,000 service. The point is that your clients should be happy to buy from you, and ideally, all of them should buy all your services. Method number 2. Involve your prospects, potential clients. Prospects are potential clients that have never bought anything from you. On the flip side, they know you. Most probably they are on your mailing list, or maybe they follow you on social networks such as Instagram, YouTube and TikTok. Prospects that actively follow you or learn something from you are the second best clients to sell high-ticket products or services. They are not complete strangers. To be more practical, you could use these two choices to identify these clients. Choice number 1. Your email list. You need to identify your best prospects, people who react to your email messages, who interact with you, who click on the links you use in your email marketing strategy. To keep track of these behaviors, you should use proper email marketing software to allow you to use a series of automation to communicate directly with your best prospects. 2 weeks ago, I recorded a video, the best email marketing software for small businesses in 2022. I explain exactly how to choose the right email marketing software for your company and what are the most important aspects you should pay attention to. In addition, I shared my preferred email marketing software I have been using since 2015. I put the link to this video here and in the description below. Choice number 2. Social content. Sharing valuable content for free, as I'm doing right now, it is not a waste of time. Creating your content authority by sharing the best information in your field of expertise allows your ideal target audience to find you, to know you, to fall in love with you and your content. By providing valuable content for free, you get 2 advantages. Number 1, you educate your followers and viewers to know your point of view regarding the topics you share. And number 2, you start building a relationship and trust with people who appreciate you and your content. By doing so, you are warming your audience. In other words, you are preparing them to buy your products and services. When you decide to sell a high-ticket product, the process will be easier and quicker because your audience already knows you. You are not a stranger anymore. It's all about developing great relationships. At the same time, the process of turning a prospect into a client is quicker, especially if you reach your followers and viewers. And you can easily do that by using paid ads, but it's not the topic of this video. Method number 3. Establish a partnership. Establishing a partnership with someone else is one of the most clever and intelligent ways to get new high-paid clients. On my YouTube channel, you can find different videos regarding how to start a partnership business and how to negotiate a partnership. Let me share with you how to find the right partners. First of all, find someone who has an excellent reputation, who treats his clients as pure gold, who is genuinely interested in helping his clients. This is the primary step. Indeed, if you want to sell anything to clients or potential customers of someone else, your partner must have a solid reputation, otherwise his clients won't buy anything, especially from a stranger. Then you should study what your competitor is already offering. The best deal can be to provide a high-ticket product or service that complements an existing offer your partner is already selling. By doing so, you're not competing with a similar product. You are offering your partner's clients something new or something they are looking for but your competitor is not offering. You should know that there are 2 types of competitors: direct and indirect. Direct competitors are business owners or professionals with the same target market and offer products or services similar to yours. For example, 2 marketing strategists that help professionals create their personal brand online and sell information products. Conversely, indirect competitors have the same target audience but offer different products or services. For example, you are a coach that helps professionals and business owners manage their struggles and obstacles, and I'm a marketing strategist able to help the same audience sell products and services. Both the scenarios are valid for creating a profitable partnership. You can sponsor your high-ticket products or services to the competitor's clients and vice versa. Or, together, we can create a product or service from scratch to sell to our audiences. The possibilities are endless. In this video, I explained 3 methods to find high-ticket clients. But it all starts with a product or service to sell. This is why I highly recommend watching this video. 5 best digital products to sell online in 2022 if you want to create a profitable info business. In this video, I shared my perspective about the info business market and how it is evolving, especially with the upcoming Web 3.0. So, watch it now!